Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and did this fun bright look for you guys. You know, a little color. I had to do it for you. So make sure to stay watching to see how I got this look. Okay, so I'm going to use Mental, Mini, Motto, and Muffin from the MMMMMITCHELL, Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. Then I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base in shade Rumor 05. And I'm going to shape underneath my brows. I love to do this, and then it makes it so much easier when you go in and do your brows. And I'm just gonna swipe this all over the lid, and then I'm gonna blend out them edges. And I'm gonna take that up towards my hairline. And then I'm going in with the first shade, which is Mental, which is this really bright orange. It's so gorgeous. And then I'm just blending that out and up towards my temple. Next, I'm going in with Mini, which is a beautiful, deep kind of raspberry shade. And I'm putting that right underneath Mental. I'm just gonna blend, 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 honey. And then I'm constantly pulling the color up. And then I went back in with Mental just so I don't lose the pigmentation. And then I'm using Motto, which is a really deep purple. And putting that more towards the outer V, and then blending it up into Mini. Now I'm going to use Urban Decay Blackout eyeshadow. And I'm going to put that at the very outer corner, or like the outer V. Just to deepen up that crease a bit. Now I'm going in with the P. Louise base Rumor 2. And I'm just patting that on the lid. And then blending it into the shadows. I really want this to be more of a gradient versus being a sharp cut crease. Now I'm using a clean brush to blend those edges a little bit more. And then your girl got a surprise. We're gonna use our fingers. So we're gonna pat on Muffin, which is a really pretty pink white shimmer. And then I'm gonna go in and just add a little bit more with a really dense brush all over the lid and just blend it out. Now I'm going to use a little bit more of the blackout just to deepen that crease some more. Now I'm using the roller liner from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm not using that to make a full wing. I'm actually just doing it in the 2/3 portion of my eyelid. And then I'm taking the blackout liner to make it as pitch black as possible. Time for lashes and a little cleanup. Lashes on. This is the Ultra Facial Cream from Kiehl's, I believe. And then the Laura Geller drops. And I'm going to use that so I can have an underglow. You can see it just gives me a complete glow all over the face. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, honey. And now I'm using, I think this is the Dose of Colors foundation. Pretty sure it was. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. They believe this is the 16 or the 24-hour wear. And then I'm just going to blend that in. I always blend the edges first so they blend seamlessly, and then I wait to do the inner corners so that they can set a little bit so they have the most coverage. Just like that. Now I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics concealer, and I'm just going to use that because it's more of a pink base, and it's just going to brighten it a little bit more in the inner corners. And I do the same technique, blend the outside edge, and then work my way into the inner corner. See how bright that is? Just how I like it. And then I'm going to set underneath the eyes. This is the Patrick Star Matte Cosmetics Collab Powder, which is discontinued, unfortunately. And people are selling it for way too much money online. And then I'm going to use the Illamasqua Foundation Powder in shade 11 to set the rest of my face. And then I'm going to use my Sun Power bronzer from MAC Cosmetics to warm up the skin. Just like that. And I'm just dusting off the excess powder from the MAC. Now I'm going to go under my eyes with Motto and a little bit of Mini mixed with the Motto to create that shimmer. Now I'm going to set my face. This is just the Cover FX illuminating spray, setting spray. Time for some brows, honey. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow tint. I think this is in chocolate. And then I'm using the Dip Brow pomade in ebony to do the ends of my brows. Just like that, honey. I'm gonna put some mascara. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Girl Cat mascara. And then I'm gonna highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty. I think this is a penny for you hoes. Pretty sure that's the name. Then I'm gonna use this long lasting lip gloss from O Beach Cosmetics. This is a beautiful berry shade. I had the little dot there because I was trying to decide if I wanted to use it for this look or not. Just like that. All right, so I done gone and popped on a wig because it's been a minute and it took me some time trying to get my locks under this wig, honey. I'm just saying, but this is the finished look. I haven't done a look in a while like this, so I figured I'd give it a try, or give it a go, I should say. If you guys like this look, please rate, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and don't forget to hit that good old notification bell. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.